Separation of powers between the three branches of government is a pillar of our constitutional system. One important aspect of that separation is that Congress may only remove an executive branch official through impeachment. So, what happens if Congress enacts a law that permits it to remove a legislative branch official who performs an executive branch function by a means short of impeachment? The United States Supreme Court addressed this issue in Bowsher v. Synar. In response to ballooning federal budget deficits in the 1980s, Congress enacted the Balanced Budget and Emergency Deficit Control Act of 1985. The act created a system in which the Comptroller General, the head of the Government Accountability Office, ultimately had the authority to reduce the deficit through budget cuts determined on a program-by-program basis. The President was required to mandate spending reductions specified by the Comptroller General. The Comptroller General's cuts would go into effect unless Congress intervened by enacting overriding legislation. An existing statute permitted Congress to remove the Comptroller General by a joint resolution based on grounds such as a neglect of duty, inefficiency, or malfeasance. Impeachment, an alternative basis for removal also available to Congress, was not required. Anticipating a lawsuit challenging the Budget Act, Congress created a fallback provision that eliminated the Comptroller General's role in the cuts in the event a court declared the act unconstitutional. After the act was passed, Congressman Mike Synar and others filed lawsuits against Comptroller General Charles Bowsher, challenging the Comptroller General's budget-cutting authority. The lawsuits argued that this authority was unconstitutional in light of Congress's ability to remove the Comptroller General short of impeachment. A three-judge panel of the Federal District Court in the District of Columbia ruled that the act was unconstitutional. Bowsher appealed to the United States Supreme Court,